amplifying human potential AI. These are decision support, AI enhancement, human decision making in fields like healthcare, finance, and logistics by providing and driving insights, not replacing human judgment. Productivity boost. Tools like Copilot, encoding, ChatGPT writing, and Midjourney for design, automate repetitive tasks and accelerate creative workflows. Skills enhancement. AI support learning by offering real-time feedback, personal education, and simultaneous based training in medicine, aviation, and more. Collaboration. AI handles data-intensive tasks, allowing humans to focus on strategy, creativity, and interpersonal roles. For example, radiologists now use AI to detect anomalies faster and more accurately, improving diagnostics while reducing their per time case. AI created career opportunities. So, AI trainer or prompt engineer guides and optimizes AI behavior through refined inputs and human feedback loops. AI ethics and policy rules ensures AI system to align with logically ethical and social standards critical for trust and compliance. AI augmented professions. Traditional jobs like evolving into hybrid roles, etc. AI assisted, smart manufacturer technician, data center careers, surge in demand for data engineers, AI ops specially explainability expert. For example of that, companies like Google and Microsoft are hiring from engineers with backgrounds in writing, psychology, with logic, not just tech.
Chatbots and human agents and how they work together. Chatbots are used to handle simple tasks like answering common questions, like for example, what's my balance, or helping to reset a password. Their availability is 24/7 and give you quick responses. Number 2, human agents. Human agents step in when things are more complicated or when a customer needs a personal support. They can help solve problems, offer special deals, or talk to a frustrated customers. Well, what is the reason why this works well? Number 1, efficiency. Chatbots handle the easy stuff fast, so human agents can focus on tougher issues. Number 2, better customer experience. Customers get quick answers for basic questions and more personal support when needed.
AI and automations are transforming industries by replacing repetitive tasks and creating new roles that demand technical skills like data analysis, programming, and machine learning. As traditional jobs evolve or disappear, staying competitive means upscaling, embracing AI tools, and adapting to change. By staying informed and flexible, individuals can thrive in an AI-driven workplace where creativity, tech savviness, and adaptability are key. AI is reshaping the workforce by automating routine tasks, shifting skill demands, and creating opportunities and challenges. While it boosts efficiency and opens up roles in areas like data analytics and AI development, it also raises concerns about job displacement, algorithmic bias, and data privacy. To navigate these changes, workers need to reskill and upskill while ensuring an ethical and secure use of AI in the workplace.